and welcome to Lego Brickmasters. Today we got the Lego boost. Yeah, it's empty. There's no Legos in this at all. That's because we've already started building Frankie the cat. Jackson, fill them in.
So this is Lego Boost. As you can see, comes with this, that, and that. Today we're building this. And then you can use any type of something right here. So then, check the back. There's Frankie. We're going to build her, I think, or is it a boy?
Her.
And we're going to build her. It comes with really cool pieces.
These bricks.
And same, 1, 2, 3, 4. Today we're building this one. Look, I like it because it's right there. So
yep.
See it.
So
now,
let's check some facts. Still going from the first video. Okay. So this set is ages 7 to 12, number 17101. The Creative Toolbox. It's 847 pieces. And it does not come with any minifigures. Comes with a lot of rare things. And basically everything. So, thanks for... No, wait. Never mind. Let's pause the video and be back with the accessories and everything else. Okay, guys. So, we finished building it. Now we're going to show it. It's all the way down here.
Sorry, but don't show them everything else. Because there's a bunch of other stuff.
Lots of stuff. But basically, right now the main attraction is Frankie the cat. Since we're rebuilding this off other things from Lego Boost, she's actually missing an eye. See it on the other eye screen. But we have something that is actually part of the set that can help with that. You see the square? Normal Lego piece, right? Nope. You got an eye patch. If it gets on. And Jackson's getting into the Lego Boost app, so after I show you all the accessories, he is going to show you all the stuff.
I have the same one on my Lego Boost. It's the same thing on the one that we're videoing on. Which one? Which are the...
Okay, other things. It has a harmonica, a birthday candle, a bow, and we obviously have his awesome crown of awesomeness, which, by the way, I'm going to pause the video and show what the awesome crown of awesomeness goes with. Wait. We have the awesome cat of awesomeness here. This, a goatee. And, of course, long eyebrows. What would not want long eyebrows?
Can I show something?
I'm showing all the... Alright, so he has his really weird eyes. Like... Okay, vote below. Is this shades or a mustache? Vote below. It also comes with, these are all the things that just come on the ground. There's fish bones. So this is all the accessories it comes with. And now we're going into the Lego Boost app and checking out, what are we checking out? Some basic moves. Alright. There's Frankie. Meow, meow.
Okay.
So just he's farting. Why is he farting? No. So here are some of the basic moves that it can do. So it can move its head, It can wag its tail, it can sit down, and it can stand up.
Let's try this one.
And it can also fart. Whenever it farts, it always moves down. And then it burps. And then it farts. And then if you press the play button. Alright, now just wait. And then if I put my hand in front of this, because it has the hand command, the orange one. Okay, so now we are going to some other moves.
Which ones?
So, first, if you press the one that has like a weird candle, you see that one? Press it.
Oh, yeah.
Press it. Alright, now, if I take the birthday candle that I showed you guys earlier and put it in front.
Okay, let's try something else.
Oh, wait, no. So that just makes it stand up. That's my stand-up code. Alright.
You want to try that one?
Yeah. Alright, so this one is if you tilt it. So if I tilt it up, it starts. And then it farts. And then it's going to sing. And now, alright, you're going to need to take out that. And you're going to need to take out that. Alright, now do you know what I'm going to do?
What?
So, wait.
No, just pause.
Alright, so press play. So press play. Alright, now do you know what it's going to do? If I take the harmonica, it's still on play, right?
Wait, no, start with play.
It can literally play the... Yeah, it can literally play the harmonica. Alright guys, now to finish off the video, thanks for watching Lego Brickmasters with a cat dance. Anyway guys, I hope you enjoyed our video, and thanks for watching Lego Brickmasters! And that's it. Bye. Say bye, Frankie. Bye. Oops, I paused it. Alright, bye, Frankie. Bye.